A little girl stood in the busy airport, clutching her mother's hand in fear. Her father had left to buy snacks, but he had not returned for a long time. The girl whispered, "Mom, where is Dad?" as the boarding gate began to close. Her mother looked around with worry, her heart racing as the final call blared. Tears welled in the girl's eyes, believing her father had forgotten them entirely. Suddenly, a loud, familiar voice shouted, "Wait!" from far across the terminal. Her father sprinted towards them, breathless and holding bags full of snacks. The girl's face lit up with joy as all her fear melted away instantly. They ran together, reaching the gate just before it closed completely. Safe on the plane, the girl leaned against her father and felt relieved. Her father promised, "I am sorry. I won't leave you like that again." Together as a family, they knew that everything would be perfectly